everyone, my name is Lauren Williams. I'm an RA and a junior at Cornell College, and I wanted to reach out to you with a couple of reminders as you begin to think about packing to return to campus. So along with your normal items such as clothing, bedding, and room decorations, we wanted to add a couple of things to your list, which include a thermometer, face covering, hand sanitizers, and plenty of cleaning supplies. The CDC recommends washing face coverings after each use, so please bring plenty. There will be some available for purchase in the bookstore. It'd also be a good idea to bring a lawn chair for physical distancing outdoor activities, and an overnight bag to pack personal items in case of use of any of our quarantine spaces. Though these are some extra items, the Office of Residence Life would like to remind you not to overpack. This will help ensure a smoother move-in process with less congestion in our public spaces. We are all a part of a caring community, and this is going to be a great year.